So in Photoshop's latest version, 24.5, they've come out with a new tool called the Remove tool. You'll find it in where the patch tool is, the healing brush, and things like that. It's a Band-Aid with some little stars on it. That's what the icon looks like. But if you're always dealing with these pesky exit signs, it is going to change your life because you're going to be able to remove these super quick. These would not be great to remove inside of Lightroom. So before you start, you'll make sure you have the remove tool selected and go ahead and uncheck at the top. It says remove after each stroke. So what that does is you can paint various strokes and stuff until you completely cover the object. And then that way it will remove it after you're done. So once you painted the object, you're just gonna hit enter and you'll see that it removed it. It still left some of his hair. We'll go to the next one. We're gonna paint this exit sign as well, the same way we did that. And then we're gonna hit enter. And that's it. That took me no time. In Lightroom, you probably would have made a ton of adjustments and the hair running into that exit sign probably wouldn't have worked that great. So newest tool in Photoshop is the remove tool and it is a game changer.